focus on the bicep now. So take your band into your hand, either on the handle or just grasping onto the band. We're going to work in 3 different planes here. First, your low range. So from that lengthened out arm, you're going to draw it up to a 90-degree position and then return it back, extending. Inhale and exhale, or if it feels more comfortable, you can exhale and then inhale. Once you've done a low range, you're going to bring that arm up to 90 and work your upper range from up high to that 90. Inhaling and exhaling to match your movement. Once you've done both the lower and the upper, you work towards your full range, ensuring that your elbow stays directly down towards the floor. So you want to avoid bringing the arm in front or swinging the arm in momentum. Draw the arm up, exhale, inhale, lower. For this exercise, we're going to be working the shoulders. So again, you want to make sure you're lengthening out that spine, drawing abdomen in towards your spine, paralleling the feet, and then taking the band into one hand with a lot of slack to start off with until you find the appropriate amount of tension. Take the arm, bring it up, send it out wide to the side at the same height as the delt, draw it back in, and return back down like an upside down L. Inhale and exhale. Making sure when you send the arm up and out to the side that the body is staying square to the front. Again, those shoulders remain back and down. Inhale and exhale. Once you've found a band that works best for you, you're going to wrap your hands around the band, making sure that you can pull it apart and get maximum tension. From here, take an inhale breath and exhale, draw the band out wide to the side. We're going to take a quarter turn here, just checking with the feet and make sure that they're squared and parallel. Set the shoulders back and down, lengthening out the spine and drawing belly button towards the spine. Again, setting the shoulders, band out in front, take an inhale breath, and exhale, draw the band back. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. For this exercise, we're going to be working the triceps. You're going to take a band, anchor it under the bottom part of one foot, and then lengthen the band up towards the ceiling, making sure that the elbow and shoulder are in alignment. From here, you're going to fully extend the band up towards the ceiling. Inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. Also making sure that you have your abdomen drawn in towards your spine, you're lengthening out that low back, and you've got the feet in a parallel position. We're going to work the biceps here. So making sure that you've lengthened out the spine, drawn belly button towards the spine, and work to get a nice posture. From here, flexing the feet, securing the band around the bottom part of the feet. You're going to bicep curl by drawing the arms in at 90 and taking the hands up towards the shoulders. Making sure you minimize any movement from the shoulders down to those elbows. Inhale, breath, and exhale, curling it up. Inhale, exhale. We're going to work the core. You're going to take that band around the bottom part of the feet, take an inhale breath, and exhale belly to spine, lengthening out the back and seated up nice and tall. From here, you're going to lean yourself forward, giving a little bit of slack onto the band, then take the band back onto the bottom parts of the feet. Start to use your core as you slowly lengthen all the way down, using one vertebra at a time to come back down to the floor. Taking an inhale breath at the bottom, exhale, slowly peeling that spine off the floor and rolling all the way up into a seated position. Once in that seated position, lean the body forward, releasing that band, and again, engage it off the bottom of the feet. Inhale, breath, and exhale, slowly articulating that spine, one vertebra at a time, all the way back down. Inhaling at the bottom, and exhale, curling up. Take yourself into a seated position, again, ensuring that the belly's drawn in towards the spine and you're lengthening out that low back. Set the shoulders back and down and allow your band to be under the bottom part of the feet. You can also crisscross the band if you want to make sure that that band's just a little bit more secure. Take an inhale breath, and as you exhale, draw the elbows back behind you, keeping the arms at 90. Inhale, release it forward, and exhale, drawing back. Inhale and exhale. So you're going to take the band around the bottom part of one foot. Descend yourself all the way down. Take your leg in a bent knee position. Secure the arms down at the floor and allow the leg to press away. Take an inhale breath, belly to spine, shoulders rolled back and down. And then from here, inhale, and as you exhale, press the band away. Inhaling, returning it back, and exhale, press away. Today we're going to take our arms behind our back, grasp onto our band, and work a little bit for the shoulders. So you're going to anchor on one side while pulling on the other side. From here, set the shoulders back and down, draw belly button towards the spine, lengthening out the low back, and making sure the feet are in parallel position. Holding on the one, and exhale as you draw the arm out to the side. Inhale it back to center, and exhale, drawing it out to the side. So if you have a chance to get a band, you can either get a covered band or a flat band. You want to start off with low intensity so that you have the ability to pull this apart. You're going to pull apart the band, keep your hands directed up towards the ceiling. Inhale as you reach up and exhale as you draw back down. So from the side profile, you want to make sure those shoulders are back and down. Abdomen is drawn in towards your spine. So you're lengthening out the spine and belly's drawn in. Again, inhale to rise up through the nose and exhale to draw back down. Inhale, exhale. From here, you're going to make sure that you've got an inhale breath and exhale belly to spine. You're going to lean the body over, and from here, just making sure that you keep that back nice and flat, making sure not to round, and as soon as you start to feel those hamstrings kick in, you're going to stop taking yourself over. From here, grasping onto the band with one hand while the other part of the band is secured underneath your foot. Take an inhale breath and exhale, extend the band up towards the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now we're going to work the rotator cuff. Again, secure the band in one side and allow the other side to be your mover. Take an inhale breath and exhale belly to spine, lengthening out the low back. Make sure the feet are in parallel and roll the shoulders back and down, keeping your posture. Take an inhale breath and exhale, rotate to the side. Inhale, center, and exhale, rotation. Our next move is our straight arm pullback. With the straight arm pullback, it's not a very large move. So we'll start in the forward facing place, and then we're going to turn a quarter turn so you can see it best. From here, set those shoulders back and down, draw abdomen in towards your spine, and just make sure you're lengthening out the back. Check in to make sure that the feet are squared up parallel. Take your band across the legs. Take an inhale breath and exhale, draw the arms back behind you. So with the quarter turn, take an inhale breath, check in for all those points, and draw the arms back behind you. Inhale to come slightly forward, and exhale, draw back. Making sure that as you're pulling back, that you're not compromising your posture, sticking the bum out, or pressing the ribs forward. Inhale, exhale.